Very early this morning in northeast Oklahoma City, there was no wind, no engine, no aircraft. But listen to what it sounded like outside. That sound created by high winds just above ground level. Now, even though the winds at the surface pretty much calm, the wind at 1,000 feet blowing at 50 to 60 miles per hour. This phenomenon, pretty common at night. It's called a low-level jet stream or a nocturnal jet. Now, we all had this high wind blowing over our heads as we slept, but we're only able to hear it here at the TV station because of the broadcast antennas that are above our heads. Pretty interesting stuff. I'm meteorologist Brad Souter. Back to you.
Yeah, very